Hi everyone. So today we're going to do Target B Day 2, which is on page 8 in your note packet, and we're going to worry about multiplying polynomials today. Yesterday we did adding and subtracting, and you watched a different video that still followed along with the notes. So if you didn't get those, please do. But now we're going to be multiplying today. And so when we multiply polynomials, we have them right next to each other like this, and I'm going to teach you two methods that you are going to use. And so one of them is going to be the box method, which I am just guessing you will like more, and the other one is FOIL. You may have seen one or two or three or both of these already. So for the box method, you are going to draw a box, and don't make it too big. It's the mistake I always make. So you're going to draw a box. You want to leave room to write on top and on the side of that box. And so what goes on top is the first binomial. So these are polynomials, but these are binomials. Bi means 2. So if I'm riding a bicycle, I'm riding a bike with 2 tires. So these have 2 terms. So this binomial, I'm going to put on top, x, and then plus 2. Keep that sign in front of your second term. And then along the side right here goes my second term, my second binomial, I'm sorry. So I'm going to have x now minus 3. So one of them goes on top and they all get their own spot, and one of them goes along the side. And now we are going to multiply within the boxes. So I have x times x. That answer is going to go here. So x times x is x squared. And you know that they both have an exponent of 1, and we can add those exponents to get x to the second power. Or you can just memorize that x times x is x squared. Then we have 2. I'm going to do 2 times x, and that answer is going to go here. We're going to match up the boxes. 2 times x is just 2x. Now I'm going to multiply negative 3 times x to put the answer here. And negative 3 times x is just negative 3x. And then lastly, I'm going to do negative 3 times 2 and put my answer here. Negative 3 times 2, make sure you use your calculator, is negative 6. Alrighty, so once you have your box filled out, that looks like a B, let me fix that, negative 6. Once you have your box filled out, you are going to rewrite all of your answers that you got in your box in a nice line. So I'm going to rewrite it over here. I had x squared plus 2x. This is a positive 2x, so I'm going to keep it positive. This is a negative 3x, so I'm going to write minus 3x and then minus 6. All I did was take each term inside the box and rewrite them in a nice line. Now this line that I have here is just like something I did yesterday. I want to combine my like terms and write it nicely. I'm actually going to do the work over here. Usually only the middle terms are going to be able to combine, but we can just do that step by step. There's nothing that can go with my x squared. Nothing that combines with x squared. 2x and negative 3x, those are like terms. They both have the same variable of x and no visible exponent. So I'm going to do off to the side my work, 2x minus 3x. Remember, we just do the work with the coefficients, so I'm going to take 2 minus 3. In your calculator, you can pause if you'd like, but you're going to get negative 1x. So I'm going to combine 2x minus 3x to get negative 1x. Those are going to cancel, and then I have negative 6, and there's nothing to go with it. So this is my answer. Okay? And then you will be able to see the FOIL method in the next video. But I'm going to get situated with an example. I'm going to get you started with over here using an example. And so I'm going to do an example right here, but I will do the FOIL method in the next video. I just don't have enough time to explain all of it in this video. So just to eat up the rest of my time, I can get you started on an example using the box method. So example 1, again, one binomial goes along the top, x plus 2, keep that sign with that second term. And then one binomial goes on the side. We're going to have 3x minus 5. And then you are going to multiply in 3x times x. That's going to be 3x squared. So that 3 gets multiplied by that invisible 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Now I have 3x times 2, which will give me 6x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times 2 is positive 10. And then we want to rewrite that in